Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can verify Paxful account successfully. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you're simply going to go ahead, open up your Paxful app on your phone. Right after you've done that, add in your PIN code and get signed in. Now from over here, tap on this profile icon on top left corner. Tap on this option of account verification. Right over here you can see why verify my account is going to pop up if you want to know more. Otherwise you can tap on email verification, which is verified. Even my phone verification is done as well. Now the remainings are ID verification, for which I simply have to select the country. Once we have selected that, we're gonna choose of which we're gonna provide. And then once we are selected, we're going to add in our address verification. Once it's done, tap on process, and then you have to provide a picture of your ID. Once you have provided the both front and back, and you will be done. Now then again, you're going to go back, go to your document verification. It will simply provide the instruction likewise over here, like it has provided. Once you have provided the document verification as well, and you get this verified title, then you will be able to get the complete verification of your account on Paxful. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.